Dear students, welcome in science class. Class 7, Unit 15, Living Beings. Topics: Vertebrates, cold-blooded animal, warm-blooded animal, classification of vertebrates, Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, apes, and Mammalia. Life cycle of frog, classification of plants, cryptogames and phanerogames. Structure of flowering plant: root, stem, leaf, and flower. Vertebrate: the animal having backbone is called vertebrate. Example: human, buffalo, birds, fish, frog. Vertebrates is divided into cold-blooded animal, warm-blooded animal. Cold-blooded animal: the animal whose body temperature changes according to the surrounding temperature is called cold-blooded animal. Example: Pisces, amphibians, and reptiles. Warm-blooded animal: the animal whose body temperature does not change according to the surrounding temperature is called warm-blooded animal. Example: apes and mammals. Vertebrates is divided into 5 classes: Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, apes, Mammalia. Pisces: they have streamlined body. They have fins for swimming. They respire through gills. They are cold-blooded animals. They are oviparous. Example: asala, rohu, seahorse. Amphibia. They live in land and water both. They respire through gills in tadpole stage, by skin in water, and by lungs in land. They are cold-blooded animals. They are oviparous. Example: frog, toad, salamander. Reptilia. They have crawling movement. They respire through lungs. They consist head, neck, trunk, and tail. They are cold-blooded animals. They are oviparous. Example: snake, crocodile, wall lizard. Apes. They have feathers in their body. They have wings for flight. They are warm-blooded animals. They have light and hollow bones. They are oviparous. Example: pigeon, dog, peacock. Mammalia. They have mammary gland. They respire through lungs. They are warm-blooded animals. They are viviparous because they give birth to their babies. Example: human, bats, whale, rabbit. Life cycle of frog. Frogs are amphibians because it can live in land and water both. The mature female frog lay eggs and male produces sperm over it. They have external fertilization because They fertilize eggs outside the female body. The fertilized egg develops into embryo. Tadpole is the larva stage of frog. Tadpole respires with gills. The tadpole slowly develops hind limbs, forelimbs. Gills start to degenerate and tails shortens. It develops into young frog. The young frog develops into mature frog. Classification of plants. Plants are classified into two groups: cryptogames, phanerogames. Cryptogames. Cryptogames are non-flowering plants. It is further divided into three divisions: Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta. Thallophyta. Plants that do not have well differentiated stem, root, and leaves is called Thallophyta. Thallophyta is divided into two subdivisions: algae, fungi. Algae. They consist of chlorophyll. They can make their food. They are aquatic. Example: Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas. Fungi. They lack chlorophyll. They cannot make their food. They are parasite or saprophyte. Example: mushroom mucor. Bryophyta. They are amphibian plants. They have chlorophyll. They grow in damp places. Example: moss, markensia. Pteridophyta. They have well differentiated root, stem, and leaves. They consist chlorophyll. Well developed among cryptogams. Found in shady and moist places. Example: fern, horsetails, Marcellia. Phanerogames is divided into two divisions: Gymnosperm, Angiosperm. Gymnosperm. They have naked seed without fruit. They have needle-like pointed leaves. They are found in dry areas. They have sunken stomata. Example: cycas, deodar, pine. Pine is called gymnosperm because they have naked seed. Angiosperm is divided into two classes: monocotyledonous, dicotyledonous. Monocotyledonous. They have only one cotyledon in seed. They have fibrous root. Leaves have parallel venation. Scattered vascular bundle is found. Example: paddy, wheat, maize, onion. Dicotyledonous. They have two cotyledons in seed. They have taproot. Leaves have reticulate venation. Vascular bundles are arranged in ring. Example: mustard, gram, pea, bean. Mustard plant is called dicotyledonous plant because their seed has two cotyledons. Structures of flowering plant. The parts of flowering plants are root, stem, branch, leaf, flower, fruit. Root system. The part of plant under the ground is called root system. Root are two types: taproot, fibrous root. Taproot. The root with main root, secondary roots, root hairs, and root cap is called taproot. Root cap protects delicate part of early stage root. It is found in dicotyledonous plant. Fibrous root. The group of roots grown from the base is called fibrous root. It is found in monocotyledon plants. Functions of root. It helps the plant to stand upright. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Root stores the food. Example: carrot, radish, yam, sweet potato. Shoot system. The portion of the plant above the soil is called shoot system. Shoot system consists stem, branches, leaves, flower, fruits, and seeds. Stem. The main and strong part of shoot is called stem. Stem has nodes and internodes. Functions of stem. It transports minerals and water from root to leaves. It transports food from leaves to different parts. It supports branches, leaves, flower, and fruits. Some stem stores food. Example: potato, sugarcane, onion, ginger. Stem with chlorophyll helps on photosynthesis. Leaf. The flat part grown out from stem of the plant is called leaf. Leaf is green due to presence of chlorophyll. Functions of leaf. Leaf helps in photosynthesis. Leaf helps in respiration. Leaf helps on transpiration. Leaf helps in storage of food. Flower. Flower is the reproductive part of the plant. It has calyx, corolla, Androecium and gynoecium. The flower, which has both reproductive parts, is called bisexual flower. The flower, which has only one reproductive part, is called unisexual flower. Calyx. The outermost whorl of flower is called calyx. Calyx is made up of green sepals. It protects the flower in bud stage. Corolla. The whorl inside the calyx is called corolla. Corolla is made up of petals. It is colored whorl and attracts insects. Androecium. Androecium is the male part of flower. It is made up of stamen. Stamen has anther and filament. Anther produces pollen grains. Gynoecium. Gynoecium is the female part of flower. It is made up of carpel or pistil. Carpel has stigma, style, and ovary. The flower, which consists calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium, is called complete flower. Pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from Enter of stamen to stigma of carpel is called pollination. Pollination are of two types: self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination. The pollination taking place in same flower is called self-pollination. It takes place in closed flower. It takes place in bisexual flower. Cross-pollination. The pollination taking place in different flower is called cross-pollination. It takes place in open flower. It takes place in unisexual flower. Fertilization. The fusion of male gamete and female gamete to form zygote is called fertilization. Zygote develops to embryo. Embryo develops into seed.